With the rise of people getting more interested in investing in cryptocurrencies, the search for having the right crypto wallet also increases. For this reason, it's advisable for beginners to conduct thorough research, first on its importance, how to set it up, and how it's used. First of all, let us define a crypto wallet. A crypto wallet is just like any other wallet, except that it doesn't store paper bills or tangible coins, but cryptocurrencies. This wallet securely keeps your cryptos, lowering the risks of scams and fraud. Still confused? Say you have 1,000 dirhams in paper bills. You put it into your wallet, right? Sometimes you deposit money into your bank account too. This is somehow the same with crypto wallets, only that what you will be holding are cryptos or digital money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Tether, and Cardano. For beginners, finding the right wallet might require thorough research, but don't worry, we will guide you through how to set up your first crypto wallet easily. First things first, you have to know that there are two types of crypto wallets: hardware wallets, they are also called cold wallets, and soft wallets, which are also called hot wallets. So what is a hardware wallet, cold wallet? A hardware wallet is a physical device, could be USB sticks or small external hard drives, that one must purchase so that they can access their coins. Two perfect examples of hardware wallets are the Ledger and the Trezor. To install it, here are the simplest steps. Step 1. Get a hardware wallet. Two options, Ledger and Trezor. Step 2. Plug the physical device, such as USB sticks or small external hard drives, into the USB cable to download the software. These brands have their own software to help you to set up your wallet. Step 3. Follow the instructions on the screen. Step 4. Choose whether to make a new wallet or import an existing one. Step 5. Select a PIN code. Step 6. Make a backup of your recovery phrase. It is a 24-word mnemonic phrase made to recover your device if you ever forget your PIN code. Step 7. Install the Ledger or Trezor app on your computer to access your wallet. You can also add it as a Chrome extension for easy access. Now let's move on to the soft wallets or hot wallets. Soft wallets are the alternative to hard wallets. It does not rely on physical tokens but on software. Some examples of soft wallets are MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, and Edge Wallet. Let's take MetaMask for example. MetaMask can be set up on either your PC or your mobile phone. Here's how to set up MetaMask on desktop browser. Step 1. Download and install the MetaMask browser extension. Step 2. Click on the Get Started button. Step 3. Select Create a Wallet and create a password. Step 4. Make a note, save or memorize your secret backup phrase. Step 5. Double-check your secret backup phrase to ensure it's correct. And here is how to install it on your phone. Step 1. Get the MetaMask app from the Google Play or the App Store and install it. Step 2. Click on the Get Started button. Step 3. Select Create a Wallet and create a password. Step 4. Make a note, save or memorize your secret backup phrase. Step 5. Double-check your secret backup phrase to ensure it's correct. See, it's not that hard. Just remember to do your own research first before choosing to buy or install a crypto wallet. I hope you have understood what crypto wallets are through this video. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again soon.